In this video, I will show you how you can use Click to Pay in Lloyds Bank. Now to set up this Click to Pay, you must only have one active debit card which isn't already set up for Click to Pay. If you have more than one debit card, the Click to Pay feature will not be visible in the app. The feature is not currently available on the credit card. You must be aged over 18 to use this feature. Now to access this feature, you need to log in your app and then select the cards option from the bottom right corner. Then on this card management section, you will find this click to pay option. You just need to tap on it, and then once they open this section for first time, it will give you a confirmation window for applying it. So you just need to tap on yes. Then you need to check your details are right and confirm that you understand Visa's privacy notice. If you need to update anything, you can do it in your profile settings. Confirm you also have read and understood the terms of services by the selecting the box. You can read the terms of services by selecting bold text. That's it. Then you have set up the click to pay. Your card details are now with Visa, and look out for a welcome email from Visa. And now once you go to the any store that allows this click to pay feature, you will find this payment section where you just have to enter your Visa details, and then you can simply click on this place order button, and from here you just have to select your card that has been enabled as a click to pay feature. Select it and then click on continue, and then click on any checkout or complete payments button. And once you do that, your product or service will be purchased with your click to pay feature. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.